Jake, episode 7. Hi, Jake. Psych.
Hello. I'm gonna pet Jake. I'm gonna pet Jake. Hey, Jake. Good dog. Good dog. Sometimes he talked once. He said, "Good dog," but he's not talking anymore. So let's go on. Sorry about this, Jake.
Oh. Jake, this is my dog.
Let's go on eBay and I'll show you the new stuff I bought. Can you phone on me, please?
What? Jake, you okay? Jake.
Feed me. I'm gonna attack you, Chad. Now I'll show you some stuff I bought on eBay.
No one wants to see that crap. Look at his Angry Bird shirt. What's that? Okay, I guess you don't care. Jake, stop following me. Here we go. eBay. Jake, you gotta wrap up this video soon.
Okay.
Talk, buddy.
Chill, get off of me. I bought Brodus Clay and Alberto Del Rio. Let's see what it is. Don't know why it's not working.
Hey, Jake.
Yeah?
I like your shirt.
Thank you.
You want to say anything else to the viewers before you go?
Well,
Let's look inside Jake's ear. It's dark in there. Whoa, that's weird.
What?
That's Jake's ear. Okay, Jake, anything else you want to say? Want to say anything, Jake?